Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video I am going to be showing you how to create a ripped paper effect in Canva. So I just searched frame, and these will show up, a lot of these will show up, and you can put like images in them, and I'm just going to select this one and this one, I think. So I'm just going to double click on this one, and oh, I think you just need to click it once, sorry. And I'm just going to resize it and put it sort of to the left. And let's resize that. And I'm going to also just make 2 copies of each, and make sure you select the one on the bottom. I don't know why this is very lagging. Okay, I think this one's the one on the bottom. Just make sure the one on the bottom is placed already in the position you want. Oh my gosh, this is very laggy. But I think I'm just going to actually copy and paste it later. So let's just delete these. And then I am going to I'll change the color later. And I'm going to find in photos. I'm going to use this one. And let's copy and paste it. So Control C, Control V. Does that work also in Canva, or do I have to? Okay, yeah, it does. And then I am going to select this picture. I'm going to drag it inside of this frame right here. And I'm going to put it sort of like to the left a bit. And you can also just move it more here. Just adjust it, And then in the colors, I'm going to change it, and I'm going to pick some colors from the actual like picture. So maybe like this one, and I'm also going to do this one too. Let's see, what picture should I use? Oops, sorry, I need to, hold on. Copy and paste it, so Control C, Control V. And then I'm going to choose that picture and drag it inside of the frame. And you can like edit it by just double clicking on the bit right here. And then I'm going to again, to like put it on top of this one. Just going to drag it here. Go to colors and find colors from that picture, and you can also change the background color if you'd like. I don't think this suits this bit though. I need to find something else. I think I'm going to replace it with this one actually. Okay. And then let's change this one over here. I'm gonna change the background to this blue color. Actually, I don't mind this having the same color as the... And that's it. You can adjust it like with your image and like the colors you choose, of course. But this is just how you can make this sort of torn paper in Canva. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!